Hi friends, this is Vasu from Holy Waters. I am here to discuss about various methods of water purification and advantages of RO water purification. I want to maybe educate you or throw some light on water purification by RO process. Okay. I am into this trade since past 12 years. And I believe my expertise should be enough to guide you in proper way. Basically, we have only three sources of water. First one, rainwater. Second, surface water. Surface water, by which I mean water from either rivers, ponds, etc. And then groundwater. Groundwater is which you draw with bores and from wells like that. Okay. Not every water is same. Every water has its unique characteristics, and then every water is not suitable for drinking application. I want to suggest you which is the best process for water. Before suggesting you a better way for water purification, let us have a gist on water purification methods that we were earlier using. First, boiling of water. What happens when we boil water? When we boil water for 20 minutes, the microorganisms which are present in water gets deactivated. Mind you friends, they are not killed. They are only getting deactivated. Means they will be in a coma state, which will be again reactivated within next 2 to 6 hours time. Second, and by boiling water, water gets evaporated. Not the chemical contaminants that are present in water, not the physical contaminants that are present in water. Thereby, if in water there is fluoride, concentration of fluoride is getting higher. Means the water which you are consuming by boiling is not safe for you. Second, in earlier days, people used to add alum to water. What does alum do? Alum just settles the suspended solids from the water. Water gets clearer, colorless, but then alum itself is a contaminant for water. Okay? And this does not affect any microorganisms that are not long ago. People had water purification done by UV systems. What does a UV water purifier do? In UV water purifier, we have 4 stages of water purification. Firstly, you have a sediment filter like this one. This has a pore size of 5 micron. Let me explain to you what is a micron. Approximately our hair's width is 70 micron. 5 micron is such a small pore size. Okay. Here we used to filter rust, sediments, particulate matter from the water. Next stage, you will be having a activated carbon filter. Activated carbon has a property where it absorbs color, odor and chlorine from water, and then this water goes to UV chamber where this water is exposed to UV rays. There they deactivate microorganisms like bacteria and virus. Okay. Even this water, microorganisms are getting only deactivated and they are not getting killed. Okay. And the water thereby you are getting out of UV system has to be consumed immediately. If you are going to store that, again this bacteria and virus are going to be reactivated in 2 to 6 hours time. Okay friends, now let us discuss about RO water purification. RO water purification is basically a 5-stage water purification system. In first stage, we have a 5 micron filter. As I said to you in my earlier videos, this has got pore size of 5 micron, which is very small. And here we filter sediments, particulate matter and rust from water. Second stage, you have a activated carbon filter, wherein we will remove carbon adsorbs color, odor and chlorine from feed water. Third stage, we will have a membrane which has a pore size of, open this up. This is a basic RO membrane of ATGPD. This has a pore size of 0.0001 micron. It is approximately 1 by 1 lakh part of our hair's width. Okay. Here, everything is filtered out. Even bacteria virus is filtered out. Dissolved impurities, dissolved chemicals are filtered out. They all come out into wastewater. From RO membrane, you will have two streams of water. First one, permeate water or product water, which is safe and clean for you to consume. Second one is reject water, which has to be dried down. After membrane, you have a post-carbon filter, which usually polishes the permeate water or product water, and then it goes into a storage tank, which normally is airtight. Okay, this water is safe for your consumption.